Clothes, items such as shirts, pants, dresses, and shoes that people wear. Colorful, having many different bright colors. Size, how big or small something is. Pattern, a repeated design or decoration on fabric. Material, the type of fabric or cloth used to make clothes. Wrinkled, when something has lines or folds on it from being crushed or not ironed. Button, small round fastener used to close clothes. Zipper, a device consisting of two rows of metal or plastic teeth that are pulled together by a sliding piece, used to fasten clothes. Sleeve, part of a piece of clothing that covers your arm. Pocket, small bag-like part on clothing where you can put things. Dress, a one-piece garment for a woman or a girl that covers the body and extends down over the legs. Shirt, a garment for the upper body usually with a collar, buttons down the front, and sleeves. Pants, garment covering the body from the waist down, with a separate part for each leg. Shoes, covering for the foot, typically made of leather with a sturdy sole. Accessory, additional items such as jewelry, belts, hats that can be worn with clothes. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I need new clothes for the party on Saturday. 2. She likes colorful clothes like red, blue, and yellow. 3. What size is this shirt? It looks too big. 4. This dress has a flowery pattern on it. 5. The material of this jacket feels soft and smooth. 6. His shirt looks wrinkled, he needs to iron it. 7. Will you help me button up my coat? 8. The zipper on my jacket is stuck, can you fix it? 9. Her dress has short sleeves for the hot weather. 10. My jeans have a small pocket for my keys. 11. She wore a beautiful dress to the wedding. 12. He wore a plain white shirt to work today. 13. Do these pants fit me well or are they too loose? 14. Those shoes are too tight, I need a bigger size. 15. She wore a pretty accessory in her hair for the event.